Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you are doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we discussed preparations of alkynes, and today we are going to study physical properties of alkynes. Physical properties of alkynes. Now, let's discuss one by one proper physical properties of alkynes and details. First one, state mean physical state of alkynes, number of carbon and physical state. From carbon 2 to carbon 4, alkynes are gases, while from carbon 5 to carbon 10 are liquid, and carbon 11 and above are solid. Small alkynes are gases, medium ones are liquid, and higher members of alkynes are solids. Second one, melting and boiling points of alkynes increases with molecular weight. Alkynes with linear chains have higher melting binding points than branched chain. Triple bond contributes to higher bond strength, slightly affecting boiling points. Third one, solubility of alkynes. Alkynes are insoluble in water due to nonpolar nature, soluble in organic solvents like ether, benzene, chloroform. Fourth one, odor of alkynes. Ethylene means C2H2, slightly sweet odor, while higher alkynes are usually odorless. Fifth one, density of alkynes. Alkynes are less dense than water. They float on water. Sixth one, reactivity indicators. Alkynes are unsaturated hydrocarbons. Presence of triple bond increases reactivity. Physical properties indicate weak intermolecular forces compared to alcohols or acids. Now, comparison between alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. Property: saturation. Alkane are saturated, alkenes are unsaturated, double bond. Alkynes are also unsaturated, are triple bond. General formula of alkane: CnH2n plus 2, alkene CnH2n, alkynes CnH2n minus 2. Physical state: alkanes are gases, liquid, solid. Alkenes also gas, liquid. Alkynes are also gas, liquid, and solid. Solubility: alkanes insoluble in water, alkenes insoluble, alkynes are also insoluble. Odor: alkanes are odorless, alkanes have slightly odor, alkynes are slightly sweet in C2H2. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on physical properties of alkynes. I hope you are understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.